Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. This is teacher Hafiz with you. Today we will talk about our new topic. As you can see here, this is Sihai online training program, day 1, date 19 April 2020. Subject is customer support practices, unit 11, batch 11. This is for batch 11. This is our topic. Our topic is customer satisfaction. Today we will talk about how we can satisfy our customer if he will contact us and even we are giving the services to our customer. So today we will talk about customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the primary aim of every company. Okay, so this is the most important aim of every company, so every employee should give more importance to it. So this is very important part of the company, customer satisfaction. So customer always focus on these things. Number 1 is reliability, number 2 service, number 3 price, number 4 quality, number 5 is efficiency. So customer always focus on these things while he is buying something, okay, while he is buying product from your company. Here we will talk about who is the customer and what is the customer. One who uses the product or service, the one who purchases the product or service, or the one who influences the product or service. It means that anyone who buy the product from the supermarket, from the shop, or from your company, he is the customer of your company. So here we will talk about two types of customers. Number 1 is internal customer. Number 2 is external customers. Internal customers are from inside the company. Every person is in process. Each department is customer of other department. So it means that the internal customer are those who are inside the company. Okay, yeah, it means that they are your managers, your supervisor, your employees, your colleague, your co-workers. So they are all customer of the company. Number 2 is external customer. External customer who uses the product, who purchases the product, who influences the sales of the product. It means that the outside of the company. Any person who is outside the company is your external customer. Customer perception of the quality. Okay, so every time the customer will focus on the product of the quality. Okay, an American Society for Quality survey on customer perception about quality of product or service shows the following ranking. Customer always will focus while he is buying any product or services from your company. So we will focus on these things. Okay, number 1 is performance, number 2 features, number 3 service, number 4 warranty, number 5 price, number 6 reputation. So customer always focus on this thing, and he needs these items while he is buying any product, because these things are showing the quality of the product. Here number 1 is service. Provide service at right time even though customer never contact you. Okay, so this is your responsibility. Always provide a good or quality service to your customer every time. Warranty. Warranty is represent a promise of equality. Okay, this is a promise of equality. Force the organization to focus on customer needs. It attracts and build the market. So while the customer is buying something or any product from your company, he will focus on the warranty also. So this is a promise that the product is working very well, and it is a quality product. It shows up quality product. Okay, price. Customer is ready to give high price towards quality. Customer will always focus on the quality. Okay, he will he will really focus on the prices. expects to get good product in lower price, customer will expect, this is the customer expectations, that he will focus on the good product in lower price. Customer perception of value is continuously changing. So this is your responsibility how you will give the value to your customer while he is buying something. And always try to understand customer perception. Okay, customer perception means the customer need, want and demand of the product, okay, of the company. Reputation. Reputation is customer wills to buy product from a known company. Customer will always focus that he will buy a product from a well-known company. Okay, there are a lot of companies, but customer will prefer on the well-known company. Reputation brings market to the organization. So organization reputation is very important. While if the customer, he will buy something from the market, okay, from the company. Thank you, students. You can watch my video on YouTube channel, and if you need any help, if you have any question, you can contact me on WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.